Okay, very good. I've started recording. Okay, very good. So what you need to do, all right, as I was saying, what you need to do is to copy it. Immediately after you finish copying it, go back to your XAMPP folder. Go back to your XAMPP folder, go back to htdocs. When you get to htdocs, now the name of the website you want to create, you want to create a new website now. What's the name of the website you want to create? Let's say you want to create, what I wanted to create was Malian Church. Do you understand? Remember, I'm a Malian. I want to create Malian Church. So I created a folder called Malian Church. So just create your own new folder and call it whatever you want to call it. Let's say you want to design a website for your girlfriend's maybe e-commerce website, or maybe probably you want to design website for your for one of your lecturer that you like so much, or probably for your own personal business. You want to start I don't know, what kind of business do you want to start? Let's say you want to start a consultancy business and you want to call your consultancy business Ocean Fair. Just name that folder Ocean Fair. Do you understand? Ocean Fair. After you name that folder Ocean Fair, click on OK. After you click on OK, now go to this WordPress zip file that you just created. Sorry, that you copied here. Remember that it was under your downloads before. You copied it and you pasted it inside this XAMPP folder. Go over there and then left click on it and then extract. Extract it. Click on extract to WordPress, whatever here. Do you understand? After you extract it, or some of you can open it in WinRAR, but just left click on it and extract to WordPress 5 point whatever. After you click that, then it's going to go through the extraction process. After it finishes extracting, you will see it here. You will see that folder here. Just open it. Immediately you open it, you will see another WordPress folder inside. Open it. Now everything that is inside here, just go ahead and copy all and highlight all and copy it. Do you understand? Just copy everything. After you copy it, come back to htdocs and then look for that folder you just created, the Ocean Fair. Open it and paste it inside. Do you understand? Everything you just copied now, paste everything inside. So after you finish pasting it inside, right, what I need you to do right now, after you finish pasting everything inside, just wait, let's wait for it to finish pasting. It is still pasting. All right. After the pasting process is done, just go over to your browser, open a new tab, and type localhost. I need you to understand something. Anytime we type localhost is pointing to the htdocs folder on our laptop. It is very important that you know this. Localhost is pointing to the htdocs folder on our laptop. Do you understand? So if I write localhost / corporate cleaners, can you see localhost / corporate cleaners right here? Do you understand? If you come back to my htdocs here, we are going to see a folder called corporate cleaners there, here. Do you understand? If I do another one, I have another one called Cake World. I have another one called Cake World here, Cake World. I have another one called Cake World here. So if I go over here and I put Cake World, right? If I put Cake World, it's going to load up that thing for me. Just what I'm trying to tell you is that localhost is pointing to that directory, the htdocs directory. The htdocs directory is what is carrying all our websites. That is like the ground zero for where we are going to put our website. If you want to create a new website and you create a folder and it is not inside htdocs, your XAMPP is not going to see it. So your website should always be inside htdocs. Yeah. So what I want you to do, since it is Ocean Fair that we just created, just do localhost / Ocean Fair. They spell the Ocean Fair, man. Ocean Fair. All right. Okay. Hope you guys are following me. If you are following me,
Yes.
please raise up your hand. Just by the show of
Please
hands.
quickly.
Okay, very good. Okay, please, is someone trying to ask a question? I can't hear you. Okay, oh dear, where are you lost? I can't hear you.
From localhost.
From localhost. Okay, what I said is that that website that you want to create, what's the name of your website, right? That you just created now. That new website that you just created. What I'm telling you to do is to just go ahead and type that name. Maybe it is Ocean Fair that we just created now, the new folder that you created here, that I asked you to copy everything inside, right? Where is it? I asked you to copy everything inside. Ocean Fair, this is it. This was the one I created before. This is Ocean Fair now, right? You copied everything, you pasted everything inside. And I asked you to come to your browser and then type localhost/Ocean Fair and hit enter. Immediately you hit enter, you are going to land here. Do you understand? When you land here, it will ask you English, whatever. Since we only understand English, we just click on English and click on continue. Right now, check out this place. You are supposed to sign in into your WordPress now, but you need to connect it to a database. As I was telling you guys before, database is like a memory card where we are going to store all our WordPress parameters. All right, database username, database password, database host, and all. We need these things. So what you need to do is to open a new tab. After you open a new tab, now type, this is what I need you to type. Type localhost/php myadmin. Everything typed together, php myadmin. Click on enter. Do you understand? After you click on enter, you are going to have this interface right here. I'm trying to speed through this thing. You're going to have this interface right here. So we need to create a new database and connect it to this new WordPress website, that we are creating. Do you understand? So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to click on new.
Excuse me,
just
sir.
click with that. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please can you recap on the name of that site now? The name of the site you just mentioned. The local host name, PHP my admin. Please can you recap, sir? I didn't quite get it right.
Oh, I mean, what you need to do is to go to localhost/php myadmin. Type everything together. Go to a new tab and type localhost/php myadmin. You can also go to this tab here and then click on PHP myadmin here. You will also get to the same place. Do you understand? It is still
Okay,
localhost.
thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Please mute your microphone. All right, very good. Now, what I need you to do is to click on new. We want to create a new database. Click on new right here. So after you click on new, what is the name you want? Yes?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, the question I want to ask is this.
Hello, please, I have a question. Okay.
Okay, you know what, guys?
I got lost on that.
Okay, what do you say?
Hello.
You asked us to copy from.
Please, I have a question.
Please, one after the other, please. I can't get
you. You asked us to copy a file from the WordPress. After extracting it, you say we should extract it here. From the extract here, we are supposed to paste it to the XAMPP. I don't know the XAMPP. Is it XAMPP control or where?
No, bro. Were you not listening? I asked you to create a folder. After you create a folder, yeah. So name that particular folder, the title of your website, and paste those things inside. Please, someone should just go to the comment section and help me explain to him there. Please just go to the comment section. Someone will explain to you there. Please, if you
right.
understand, just go to the comment section. Let someone explain to you there. Do you understand?
All right. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Now, from here, please mute your
Hello,
microphone.
please, I have a question.
Okay. Be fast, please.
Please, I have a question. My question is now you're saying localhost slash PHP slash admin. How would it know it's for Ocean Fair?
Okay, very good. That's I will explain that now. It is PHP my admin. Do you understand? PHP. See, this interface localhost slash PHP my admin. That interface is like the interface we are using for several databases. If you look at my screen here, I have several databases here. I have one for allotimies, I have one for corporate cleaners, another for gallery, another for information, another for LiveWrite, another for DMS, Olo2 DMSQ, another for photo gallery, and so on and so forth. I have a lot of them here. Do you understand? And they are for different projects. Remember corporate cleaners, right? They are for different projects. So the new project we are creating right now, please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, please. Right? The new project we are creating right now is called Ocean Fair, right? So you have to create a new database for it too. Call it whatever you want to call it. Ocean Fair DB or Ocean Fair. I'll just call it Ocean Fair alone. Do you understand? And save it and create. Immediately after you've created that, you need to add a user. You need to give a user permission to this Ocean Fair. So what I need you to do is to click on privilege. Please mute your microphone.
Good evening, bigsam. I want to ask a question.
Okay.
I went to localhost slash, then I put the name of the website I wanted to listen, but it showed me error establishing a database connection. What should I do?
Error establishing a database connection. Okay, you did localhost slash. Okay, the website you want to.
Yeah.
Okay, have you set up your web database before?
No.
Okay, you know what? Just start the whole process again. Do you understand? Start the whole process again. All right,
Okay.
and make sure you follow through. So, guys, mute your microphone, please. What you need to do is to click on privileges. After you click on privileges, go ahead and just click on add new user. Do you understand? Or if you have any user here and you want to, okay, you are raising your hand. What's up? Emmanuel, believe me, what's up?
Yes, I'm raising my answer. When I created I created a dip on one privilege. I can't find it at the left side of my system. It's not there. Privilege is not there. What I have there is information schema.
Okay, calm down. Just listen now. Just listen now. I know what's up. Just listen. Just listen. Oh God. Just listen. Calm down and listen. So immediately after you've created, the reason why you are not seeing it is that this is the Ocean Fair database that you just create. Double click on it. Do you understand? Once you double click on it, you are going to have privileges here. Do you understand? Double click on that Ocean Fair right here. You are going to have privileges here. So click on privileges and create a new user. After you create a new user, just write what's the name of the user you want to put. Please, we are wasting time. Can we not ask any question for now? After the class, you can ask your questions. Do you understand? We ought to have moved past here. We are wasting time with questions. All right. If you have any question, just keep noting them down. After the class, immediately after we finish, do you understand? Then we can go ahead and ask our questions. Please, we are wasting time. We're already, wasting a lot of time. If you have any problem, just chill. Don't worry. I'm recording the class. right? You can always go back and rewatch and then ask me any question. I will attend to you after the class, because very soon we are going to exhaust another 40 minutes now, and then this thing will close up again. So just go ahead and put the name of whatever you want to put. Let's put what is the username you want to do. Don't forget that we need database username, database name, database username, password, and host. Do you understand? We need those. We need those information. So what you need to do is to, oh, this is not it. All right. So what you need to do is to put username. What's the username you want to use? Just put anything you can remember. Ocean Fair user. Do you understand? Change the host name to local. The password, put any password you can remember, and then retype the password. After you retype the password, scroll down, and global privileges, make sure you check all. After you check all, go ahead and click on go. So after you've clicked on go, please don't ask questions now. Please don't ask questions now, right? You should ask questions after the class. We are wasting time. Okay, so immediately after you've done that, just come over here to WordPress. Come over here to that WordPress place. Click on Let's Go. All right. So everybody, you can follow through now. After you click on Let's Go, now your database name. What is your database name that you just create? It was Ocean. Ocean Fair. Do you understand? Don't forget, this is the database name, Ocean Fair. That's the name of the database. Now, the name of the user that I added to that database is Ocean Fair user. Do you understand? That's the name. That's the name of the user, Ocean Fair user. So what you need to do is to go ahead and go to WordPress. Username, please, guys. We need to be quick here. I have another meeting by 9 o'clock. Ocean Fair user. Just go ahead and put your username here. Do you understand? After you put your username here, go ahead and put your password, the password you created with it. Do you understand? And then this is localhost. Yeah, just leave localhost and leave table prefix. Click on submit. Immediately after you click on submit, you should have this place saying, okay, all right, Sparky, you've made it through this part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with database. You are ready to go. Just click on run installation. After you click on run installation, it will ask you site title. What do you want to call your site? Ocean Fair, Abby. Let's say, just call it whatever you like, whatever spicy name you want to call your website. I'll just call it Ocean Fair. All right. I'll just go ahead and call it Ocean Fair. Now, the username and password you want to set here, this is what you are going to use to sign in into your account. Like, you know, let's say you want to sign in into your Facebook account or something. Now, it is different from the database parameters. So you're just going to go ahead here and then put your username. Which username do you want to use? Yeah, I think I want to use, I'm just going to use Ocean Fair as username so that I can remember. And then I'll come over here and then put my password to something that I can easily remember too. Do you understand? All right. Confirm the use of weak password if you want to use weak password. And then put your email address. I'm going to go ahead and put my email address. And don't discourage search engine. No, don't click on this checkbox. Don't click on it. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. If you put it, it means when people search for your website online, they won't see it. When people search for your website on Google, it will not show up. Do you understand? So don't discourage search engine from indexing this website. Don't do that. Always leave it alone. So click on install WordPress. All right. So it will take a while for it to, you know, do its thing. Then it will take a while. 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 While it is still installing, the installation process is still going. So if you have any question, please go now. I'm only going to take one question. One question. And the first person to raise up hand, that's who I'm calling. Raise up your hand.
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Go. Temi, all right? Go ahead and ask your question now.
Hello. I wanted
Hello.
to say I got lost from
I can't hear you.
No, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Go. We cannot hear you. Okay, yes.
We got lost from the privileges side. Please, can you put us through?
You got lost where?
Privileges.
How many
From
of you are
the
there?
privileges, sir.
3 of us.
Jesus.
We are more than 3 from the privileges side, sir.
Oh,
Please, from the privileges class aside, sir.
Yeah, privileges, sir.
how many people are in privileges?
Yeah, privileges, sir, from that side. We
Okay.
are more than 6. So.
Okay. You know what?
Yes,
Calm down, everyone. Calm down, everyone.
All right.
Calm down.
All right, thank you, sir. All right.
Calm down.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay. So, go back to your WordPress. Mute your microphone, please. Mute your microphone. Okay, very good. Let's go. Now, when you are here, what I need you to do is to click on, okay, you are already in the privileges area. Do you understand? Now you see we are almost running out of time again. We have 10 more minutes to go. It's okay. Now, go immediately after you are in your privilege, just click on privileges. You are in privileges. Do you understand? Add new user. You've added new user. Put your username. Put the username now. For God's sake, what's hard here? Put username. What username do you want? Put it here. Host name. Instead of using any host, change it to local. All right. Instead of using any host, change it to local host. Right. After you are done, change and then put your password. Whatever password you want, put it there. After you put the password, retype the password and then scroll down and then click on check all here. Global privileges here. Click on check all. After you've clicked on check all, just go ahead and click on go. After you click on go, it will show you success that you've successfully created a user for that database. Then after you are done, go to the website in which you want to use. Go to that particular website. Do you understand? That particular Ocean Fair, your Ocean Fair or whatever. Just do localhost / my website. The name of that folder that you created, that you copied everything. Immediately after you do that, hit enter. Do you understand? After you hit enter, after you've done enter, it will show you where you are going to click continue. After you click continue, it will give you where you are going to put your database parameters. First of all, the first thing you are going to put is database name. The name you called that database, put it there. That's number one. Number two, it will ask you to put your username, that username you created, put it there. That password, put it there. Localhost is already there. WP, table prefix, WP is already there. Leave it alone. Do you understand? All you just need to do is to click on continue or run installation or whatever is there. So immediately after you do that, it will congratulate you, click on continue, run installation, and then it will give you where you are going to put your site title and everything. Just fill everything. Now you are going to have a new username and a new password. Do you understand? A new field in which you can set username and set password. Now, this username and password will be the one you are going to use to log in into your administrative panel. Right? It's very important. It is different from the database or the whatever. So after you've done that, after you've created those, right, you are going to click continue or run installation. And then after the installation is done, you are going to have this page here, right here. So if you successfully have this page right here, just click on login. So when you click on login, just put those new website, just those new parameters you just set here and click on remember me and then click on login. So if you click on login and everything is good, if everything is good, you should end up in this area. So if you end up in this area with me, congratulations, you are doing very well. So if you are here with me, please raise up your hand now. Let me see. If you are here with me right now, raise up your hand. Some people are with me here now. Why are you saying for here? What's up? Where are you lost?
Seriously, I don't even know how to say it. I'm totally lost.
Where are you?
Sir, mine is right.
I'm still at the local host where we're going through the PHP my admin. That's the only place I know. And I can see my website, the Vision WordPress I used. Then after that, I don't even know the next thing to do.
Okay, very good. This lecture is recorded. You can go ahead and watch it painstakingly and follow the process. You are going to get it. Who else? What other issues are you having?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Please, on the WordPress page.
Excuse me, sir. When I want to submit, mine is writing error.
When you want to submit,
Yes,
you
after
did not,
logging into.
after logging in.
Yeah, after putting the database name, username, password.
Yeah, it's wrong. The database name.
Error.
Maybe the database name you put is not correct. Just check your database, check your username, and put the right thing. If you put the right thing, it will work.
Okay, please, sir, where do I check for the database, the information I inputted again, sir?
Remember when I was telling you that when you were imputing it, you should always remember what you are imputing. Didn't I tell you? Use what you can
Yes,
remember.
sir, I wrote.
But here is the thing. Just go back to PHP my admin. After you are at PHP my admin here, after you are back at PHP my admin, what you can do is to just click on your Ocean Fair. Ocean Fair, this is the name of your database name. This is what will be inside the database name. Do you understand? This is what will be your database name. Double click on it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey,
all right.
Yeah.
Double click on it.
The next thing I'm saying is name, number of columns.
Yeah, don't worry about name, number of columns. Just go ahead and go to privileges.
Okay, sir.
Just click
privileges. Where is privileges?
On the top bar here.
Okay, okay. I can
just click on.
Okay, sir.
Click on privileges.
Yes, sir.
You are going to see Ocean Fair user. This is the name of the database. This is the name of the user. This is the username. This is what will go into the username. Do you understand? It will not show you the password. Just remember the password you set for this Ocean Fair user. Put it there. After you put it there and click enter, it will work. All right. So,
hello, please. I have a question.
Okay.
Hello, please. I have a question.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm drawing you back.
Ask your question. Go ahead and ask your question. Ask your question, please.
The person is not.
Okay, very good. We have 3 minutes to go for the end of this lecture, for the end of this this session. All right, and I don't want to create a new one. So here is the thing. Let's just continue from here. This lecture is recorded. I'm going to upload it on YouTube, and you guys will have access to it. Do you understand? Please mute your microphone. Who is that? Mute your microphone. All right, very good. Very good. If you are here with me, if you guys are here with me, just go ahead and over this Ocean Fair right here at the top corner here and click on visit site. When you click on visit site, you are going to, this is how your website looks like now. But trust me, when we are done with this baby, it's going to look extremely beautiful. Do you understand? This is how it looks like now. Let me quickly introduce you to the concept of themes. We have 2 more minutes to go. Just go back to dashboard, all right? Go back to your dashboard. And then right here, go to appearance. Go to appearance. Go to themes. Click on themes. After you click on themes, these are the 3 themes that you have now. These are 3 themes that you have installed right now. Do you understand? If you activate this one, themes are beautiful. Themes are amazing. Beautiful people, amazing people, they've taken their time to develop beautiful themes for us, such that immediately after we add it to our WordPress website, it gives it a new appearance. Do you understand? If you go over here and you check and you visit your site again, because I've installed a new theme, this is now how my website looks now. This is how it looks now. Do you understand? This is how my website looks now, right? This is how it looks now. Do you understand? Now, what I will do is that go over to dashboard, go to themes again, click on add new. I want to show you that there are a lot of themes that you can choose for, like a lot of themes. Now look at here, look at this one. This is the one that we have installed before. This is another one, this is another one. Just click and skip and flip through. These are beautiful things that you can use. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this one right here? See this one? See this one? See this one? Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, raise up your hand. If you can see what is going on here, raise up your hand. Okay, very good. Like we have a lot, like lots and lots and lots of theme options to choose from. Do you understand? We have a lot of them to choose from. Please don't ask questions now. Please don't ask questions now. Right? Don't ask questions now. Immediately after this thing logs us out, we have less than 1 minute. Anytime soon this thing will log us out, then let's go back to WhatsApp and finish this discussion. We are going to continue from here tomorrow. You understand? So we still have about 5 minutes question and answer section. Let's go and do that on WhatsApp. This thing will log us out now. But pending the time, let me just show you the amazing. We have hundreds and thousands of them that you can choose from. This is just featured ones. We have popular ones. Do you understand? We have popular ones that you can see. You can see through, see a lot of them. A lot of them. We have a lot of them. So we have a lot of them. In fact, you won't believe how easy this thing can be. We have a lot, like lots and lots and lots and lots, like a lot of them to choose from. Do you understand? We have a lot of things to choose from. So anytime you want to create a new, now, even if you want